Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to recover Bybit account. In order to recover your Bybit account, you can simply follow the steps. First of all, you could go ahead and open up your application. As you can see that I'm already logged into my account. So first of all, let me go ahead and log out, and I'm going to show you how you can actually do it. So go to your profile from the top right and press on log out located right at the bottom. As you can see, there is this option, so click the log out now. When you're logged out, you will be able to see this field, so click on login now. Enter your email address associated with your account, and if you're unable to remember your password, click on forgot password. Now once again type in the email address registered with your Bybit account, click on reset password. Now you'll be receiving a verification code or some sort of link in order to recover your account or to recover your password. Now this is how you can recover your Bybit account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.